Hi guys, Gigi here. Today we are going to take a look on how to flash an ECU on Toyota using the Techstream software. For the past few days I've been trying to diagnose a Toyota Avensis 2.0 diesel that had intermittent white smoke coming out of the exhaust. Um, this smoke will come when the car is at the operating temperature. It will come and go and come and go. We tested everything. Last month I fitted 4 new injectors to this car, um, and the owner keeps coming back and saying that he gets white smoke from time to time. After looking and researching, I found the service bulletin from Toyota. I will show it to you here. So this is the technical bulletin from Toyota. This is the number of the service bulletin. And as we can see here, description of the phenomenon. Some customers may complain that intermittently there is excessive white smoke coming out of the exhaust during accelerations. That's exactly the problem I had with this car. So Toyota said that the engine ECU has been changed and must be updated. Looking at the cars here, my car, it's a Avensis ADT-270. Pop line will go down here, and the repair procedure says you have to reflash the ECU. Now, on my car, this is the model I had, and this is the ECU types, and I should update with this version of software, the ECU. Well, I never done this before, so I've researched a bit, and it should be, and it is possible to flash this ECU if you have Techstream, Toyota original software for diagnostics, and you can download this from the Toyota tech.eu. I will leave a link. You can download this, install it on your PC, and buy a license for 1 hour for 1 day. I think it's for, let's see, I think you can buy it for a day. Let's see. I will open the browser and then we can check it together. So this is the site. You can register. I have done this yesterday, and you can log in here. And log in. Yeah, save my password. I don't care right now. And you will need to get the software. Let's say online subscriptions. Yeah, you can buy 1 hour for €4, 2 hours for €8. But this is the subscription only. But what do you want to do? It's you want to get the software. Let me see if I can find that. So you go here to the general, and you have the diagnostics tools, and you want to take the GTS Techstream. It will tell you what requirements and blah blah blah. If you have an pass-through device, you can use this, or you can have a Mongoose cable or whatever pass-through device. You can use it with the Techstream. If you don't have it, you can buy it from here. I don't know the price because I have a generic compliant VIM, and it's compatible. I will say next step and download, and then I get a place to download the Techstream. Well, after you download the software, you go to the next step, and you can buy a license. And I can see 1 day it's €5. So I don't think it's so expensive if you want to do this, because if you want to go to the dealer, they will ask you at least $100 to €100 to make this update. So you say buy a license, and then you buy a license for 1 day. It's €5, and then you are good to go in terms of software. When you pay the subscription for 1 hour, you will be able to download actually the calibration data. And to do that, you will have to go here to the online subscriptions, and then just pay the 1 hour, €4, and I accept, and blah blah blah. And then after you pay the 1 hour, you have to log out, log in again, go to the repair, and then go to the ECU software updates. When you click on this one and you have the access, you get call download. You will be prompted to enter the technical bulletin that you want to download the software for, and then you will paste this number into the search box, and then it will come with this page where you can download it. So you have to pay the online subscription, then go to repair, ECU software updates, get cal, put your VIN in, and then you will be able to download the file. So the page will look like this, and you have the model, and you have the calibration ID, and then you say download. After you download the file, it will have a very nice icon if you have the Techstream installed. Let me show you. So having this installed, it will show me here the file. Now you have the interface connected to the car, and you have the computer on with the Techstream installed. If you don't have the Techstream installed, this file you will not be able to open it. And let's double click and just see what's happening. Okay, this is the calibration update wizard for the Toyota, and then you will say next. When you say next, it will connect to the car, and so you have to have the ignition on. You have the open port connected, and I will say next. Well, after I say next here, it will try to connect to the car and download the calibration data currently into the car, and then tell me if I can make the update or cannot make the update. Well, I don't have the car here because I already made the procedure. It will connect to the car. It will come and tell you that this calibration is going to be downloaded to the car. You have to have a charger connected to the battery, so the battery voltage must be at least 12 volts. Put the ignition on, press next, and it will start flashing. It will take about, I don't know, 7 minutes or something like that. It will be done. When it's done and you press next, don't worry, the screen will pop up with the green white background flashing and says finished. It will keep doing that all the time. Well, don't panic. Press on the screen, and it will guide you through the rest of the procedure and tell you turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, and stuff like that. It will check the data, and everything will be all right. And then the software it's updated. So this process will cost you €10 if you have the Techstream installed in your machine, and it's quite simple. So you don't have to go to the dealer and pay $1,000 or whatever cost to make the update. I've just did the update today, and the client drove home and told me that it only had one single puff of smoke while driving home. So until now looks good. Anyway, the white smoke problem, it's very known for the Toyotas. I never did Toyota before. This is my first one. And the problem seems to be very well known in the Toyota community. Some say it's because of the fifth injector in the exhaust that will help regenerate the DPF. Some say the white smoke appears because of a clogged DPF filter and so long. Nobody has an exact solution for this problem. So most of the people that cannot bear driving with the smoke from time to time will just take off the DPF and change the fifth injector. Yeah, people invested a lot of money into this, but I would say this is a very cheap solution, and it doesn't cost so much. So you can use a bunch of different interfaces. You can see what you can use for this. Autel, Jaguar, Jutech, yeah, many interfaces you can use. It happens that I have an open port and I can use that. So the process is quite straight too, not complicated, and yeah, you can do it by yourself. So install Techstream, create an account on the website, search for the VIN, and pay for 1 hour. That's $5. So 10 euros all in all, and you'll be able to download the software. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Until next time. Bye, guys.